Hare Krishna. Welcome to my channel Krsnatarian. If this is your first time watching this video or visiting the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you have been watching my videos regularly but haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe to it. If there are any constructive feedbacks or any queries related to the recipe, food, or the diet of Krishna consciousness or Krsnatarian, then please write to me in the comment section and I will be happy to respond to you. One more thing I wanted to inform is that I recently published a cookbook which is around 348 recipes with 400 images. So that particular book is available in paperback and hardcover format, and also multiple digital copies of this book is available. If you're interested in buying it, then I have shared a link in the description, and also there will be book review available for which I have also shared a link in the description. So now let's proceed towards the recipe.
Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with you a very traditional fried rice recipe. This is actually an authentic Chinese fried rice recipe, just made in a vegan manner. This particular recipe uses a number of colorful vegetables cooked in sesame oil with some Chinese spices. So let's look into the recipe. So let me show you the vegetables which we are going to use. I'm using a handful of snow peas. Then I have taken green and yellow bell pepper. That's around 1 cup. Then I've taken 3 to 4 green chilies, slit, and strip cut extra firm tofu. And then here I have these French beans which I'm going to use. I have slit that also from between. And then some boiled sweet corn, that's like around half cup. Now in an iron wok, for making this fried rice, it's important that you use an iron wok. I've kept the heat on high and I've used this pure sesame oil which is black in color. I've used around 3 tablespoons of this sesame oil. Now I've kept the heat on high and here I've used 6 cups of cooked rice. Now you don't have to use the basmati rice, just use regular rice and cook it a little sticky, not too sticky, but a little bit like how it's shown here. Now once that wok is heated, then I'm going to add first the slit chilies. I'm going to saute it a little bit, just for a few seconds, nicely saute it. Now in that I'm going to add the French beans, saute it for a few seconds as well. Now I'm going to add the snow peas, then the bell peppers, saute it on high heat. You just have to saute or stir it just for a few seconds on high heat. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and then a teaspoon of black pepper powder. And now here I'm going to stir it just for a few seconds, and then I have the sweet corn which I'm going to add. I'm going to add on top the tofu. This was around 1 cup of the extra firm tofu. Just nicely stirred it. Now this cooking on high heat you have to do at least for a minute. Now I added around 1 tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. I have put the ingredients of the Chinese 5-spice powder in the description. You can check that out. You can make this powder at home. It's very easy. Then I added around 1 tablespoon of salt and then nicely mixed it. So if you have cooked the rice without salt, then this quantity of salt will be perfect. So now for 1-2 minutes I'm stirring like this. Now I'll gradually add the rice. So 1 cup after 1 cup you can add the rice and then stir it. Nicely mix all the spices together with this rice. Then add the another batch like that. Like this, in three portions, you can actually add the rice so that all the spice nicely gets mixed with this rice. The mixing of the rice actually has taken in a very fast pace, even though it looks very slow here, but I made sure to put the rice very fast because of the heat being on high. Just nicely mixed it, and now here I have around 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now if you do not have light soy sauce, then you can just add to your dark soy sauce a little bit of water and then it will become light. So after adding it like this, and I covered it, reduce the heat to complete low and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now gave it a final mix nicely like this, and now here our Chinese fried rice recipe is ready. Now I'm going to serve this on a plate. So you see how beautiful this Chinese fried rice recipe looks like. Such colorful vegetables and nicely spiced in the traditional Chinese spices. So I hope you liked watching this video. I'm going to place a tulsi leaf and offer this at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.